Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to film this video, first of all, to show you my cute bracelet. It's so dainty and cute. You can find that in the shop, shameless plug. But since a few of you asked about acrylic blocks, I thought it would be a good idea to just film a video so you can see how everything looks. I have a bunch of acrylic blocks from my scrapbooking stamping days. I'm really not particular about them and I haven't used them for a long time until I got my stamp set. So this is how the set looks. When you receive it, it'll look like this. This is the Watercolor Workbook Stamp set, which you can pre-order now in my shop. The pre-order is going to close on Saturday, February 6th. If I'm not mistaken, that's the date, but Saturday, because I just want to put those orders in and, you know, have these stamps made and shipped to you so we don't all have to wait impatiently. So after that, I will not have extras, and I don't know when I will do a restock. So if you're interested, please take advantage of the pre-order. Okay, acrylic blocks. So if you're not familiar with the whole concept of clear stamps, it's very, very simple. You don't need any adhesive or anything. You just need to mount them. This is the stamp, this is a block, and you just need to mount it and it sticks by itself. It's not moving anywhere. The only reason it would be that it doesn't stick is if the block or the stamp is very dirty. And I say very dirty and not just a little dirty because I'm messy. So my stuff is usually a little bit messy, but that's how it works. Now, you can absolutely just have one size, like a larger block that will go with any of your stamps, but I do think it's nice to have a selection, and I do think it's easy to have a smaller block for a smaller stamp. So the ones I have, and I didn't buy anything new for this set, is I have a set of these. So this is my, I don't have a ruler with inches, but I have this trimmer that has inches. So let's zoom in. So we can see this one is about, what are you, like 3.5 inches shape, and it just fits just barely the quarter color wheel stamp. I do like this shape. I will link you to what I can find on Amazon that is kind of similar. These are really, really old, so it'll probably not be exactly the same. I do like the shape. I think it's like nice to hold. But probably my most used one for like larger stamps is this block. Okay, so this one is 3.5. Then this one that I have the full pan mounted on is about 2.25. Okay, if you want to measure it like this, it's about 3.25. And then the baby one is about 1.5 inch shape. And then this one, which fits really nicely the swatch card stamp, this one here is, the block is 4 inches tall and 3 inches wide. Sorry, so 3 inches on 4 inches, and that fits this stamp really, really well. And then another option is to have one of these long ones. So this one is 8 inches tall on about 2 inches wide, and you can see you can just put a bunch of these. Now, if you're messy, this one is tricky because if I stamp this one and then I stamp this one, then I'll get like a ghost stamp, or I'll make something dirty with the other side. So you have to be a bit careful with these. For this particular set, since I don't have anything particularly long, I think this like long acrylic block is unnecessary, but it does fit a bunch of the stamps on it. So yeah, I just keep that's not how you should mount it, but I just keep, because I use this to make like all the samples and, you know, to show you everything. I have, you can see all of my stamps just mounted on blocks. You absolutely don't need to have a multiple blocks. You could have like this one, this size should accommodate, let's see if it fits also the, yeah. So if you want to just buy one, then this, the 3 inches by 4 inches will fit all of the stamps in the set. And then if you want a set, then something like this would work well. So I hope that answers your questions. You know, make sure you watch all of the other videos. I show so many ways of using the stamp sets. One thing I did want to mention also is that I stamped this just as I was like planning one of the pages that I made. So I stamped this, and my 5-year-old Lily, she saw this and she immediately wanted to fill it in. So you could do like coloring pages for your kids, and she had the best time just filling it in with watercolors. So another idea that I wanted to share. I didn't think about it, but you know, kids. So that was a happy discovery. Okay, thank you so much for your support. The stamps are selling really well. I'm very pleased that, not, you know, of course that it's selling, but also that it just shows that you're also excited and you find this idea really fun, exciting, and appealing. And I just wanted to say thank you very much. I hope that things, you know, ship out as fast as possible, and, you know, you are from all over the world, so I can only hope that the post will be on our side and ship the stamps quickly, and, you know, that they will arrive wherever you are in the world. I'm a little bit worried, I won't lie, because we all know that the post can be tricky on the best of days. During a pandemic with travel bans and all those things, it's a little bit extra. So I do ask for your patience. And yeah, this, especially if you are, you know, far from the US, like Australia, I know I've seen like really long shipping times. So please be patient. It is what it is. What can I tell you? I'm really sorry. I wish it was different, but these are the times that we live in. And yeah, good things come to those who wait. And I hope you can get your sets as fast as possible. So I'll be ordering them next week, but I need for that to close the pre-order. So make sure you enter your order, and I will see you soon in another video. I feel like there's a void. I don't know what I'll do, what videos I'm going to film now that I'm closing the sale, because this was so much fun. But obviously I'll be doing more videos with the stamp sets. So because these are really, I made them not just to sell them and then stop using them. I made them because I felt I needed them. So I'm really happy to continue and play with them. I will leave all the links below, all the information. There are 2 listings for the pre-order, one if you're in the US and one if you're in somewhere outside the US, the rest of the world. So make sure you choose the right one. Till now, everyone made good choices, so thank you for paying attention to that. And I will see you soon. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.